So this is the third time I've hiked the volcano. This is the other side of the crater from where I hiked before. I've kind of gone in a big circle, but that's okay. Once I get back to the car, we're going to find the Thurston Lava Tube Trail, and I'm very excited to hike through that. So the lava tube trails are closed because of falling debris. So I'm sort of just hiking around. I'm gonna go up to the entrance of one of the tubes on the way back just to see if I can get a good picture, but I've just decided to walk down this dirt road through the forest. If I find anything interesting, great. If I don't, I'll turn around eventually. But I just really need some good long hiking, you know? And it's just too beautiful to not want to be out here. Like, just look at this. It's gorgeous. I got to the end of the dirt road and it was literally nothing interesting. It just led to a gate and a regular road. So, yeah, I turned around and now I'm gonna go see if I can get a picture of the lava tubes. Can't really see far. Whoa, that's echoey. Can't really see that far. Not gonna try to go further because at least right now there's nothing above me to collapse. And over here, that light over there just looks ominous. Not much for pictures or anything. I'm definitely not venturing in there. It's kind of tempting, but I'm not going to. Maybe I can take a little bit of a better picture at the other end of the trail. Forgot that I turned on my flashlight to try to see down the tunnels. There's something really cool about being at the bottom of a little valley. Just looking up and seeing trees and then sky. But the trees are so high up that you can barely see the ground that they sit on. Something about it is just really cool to me. In this instance, I will not be going closer, but I did just really want to get a little bit of video of just how deep it is right underneath that bridge. Super cool. I really wish the trail wasn't closed, because I would love to go in there. I do not condone crossing dangerous barrier things, especially not yellow tape. I am not crossing the yellow tape, but I really want to.